Hi writers, I'm Rosy Hernandez. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you how to shave your legs for the first time. If you have shaven your legs before and you're watching this video because you've been cutting yourself or you have bumps or you really feel like you didn't take the time to really know how to shave your legs, then this video is also going to help you with that. Before we get started, I do want to ask you one question. Do you really need to shave your legs? I'm asking this because you could be 8 years old, 10 years old, or even 12 years old thinking that you need to shave your legs when in reality you're not really ready and you don't really have to. So just make sure that it's something that you really need before you do this big thing in your life. Also, I want to know how old you are. So can you please comment down below and let me know how old you are? I'm just curious to know. That being said, if you do really need to shave your legs, make sure that you get your parents' permission before you do so. And I'm definitely making a video on how to ask your mom or your dad to let you shave your legs, so make sure you check that out. First step is to know where to shave your legs, on your legs. You do not want to make the same mistake that I did when I first shaved my legs, which was to shave under my ankle. Some people do have hair there and some don't. If you don't have hair under your ankle, don't shave past that area. You want to shave above that area. And also some people don't grow hair on their knees or on the back of their leg at the top part of the thigh. So if you don't grow hair there, just be aware, know that you don't need to shave there. What happened to me was hair actually started to grow in the areas that I was shaving, even though I didn't need to shave there or I didn't have hair there. You don't want this to happen to you. Just be aware of where you need to shave on your leg. The second thing is obvious, and that is have the right tools. What are the right tools? I'm also making a second video on this because I don't want to spend a lot of time in this video going over what you need, but it is essential that you know what you need. You might think, oh, just a razor and shave gel. I think that you need more than that. So make sure you go check out that video after you're done watching this one. I'll also put a link in the description down below with the tools that you need so that you can order them through Amazon and it'll be much easier for you. The third step is to know where you're going to shave. Have a place to shave. And I know that this seems obvious. Believe me, it's better to shave in a tub than a regular standing shower. So if you have both, it's better to use the tub. You can sit down and raise your leg and you'll have support. Trust me. It's gonna take a while to shave, especially for your first time. So you want to be comfortable and you don't want to be standing the whole time. Now, if you don't have an option and you only have a standing shower, that's fine. I'll show you what to do in this case. You're just gonna be standing and you're going to put your leg down, elongate it, and go down to shave the way I show it in this video. That's very important. Once you know where you need to shave on your legs, you have all the things that you need to shave your legs, and you know where you'll be shaving your legs, the next thing is to have the right technique. This step is the most important step. Having the right technique is going to help you not cut yourself. Just know what you're doing. You don't want to press hard when you shave. You want to glide your razor over your leg and do it at a nice and steady pace. Do not rush, because if you rush, you will cut yourself and it's very painful and you don't want to cut yourself. Make sure that you just glide the razor going upwards. You want to move the razor upwards. You're never going to do it side to side or up and down unless you have some hairs that grow in weird direction. You need to do that. But for the most part, you're going to shave down and up, down and up. So you're going to use upward strokes. After each shave, you're going to insert your razor into the cup with the water, tap the razor to remove all of the hair that you have taken off of your leg, and then you're going to repeat the process. So make sure that you do that each time. The fifth and last thing that you need, which is also very important, is to have enough time. Make sure that you have more than enough time. You do not want to shave your legs, especially for the very first time, within 5 or 10 minutes. That's not enough time. It may take you between 30 to 45 minutes your very first time shaving. I know, it sounds crazy. I know. But believe me, you do not want to cut yourself. It hurts really, really bad. This is something that you want to avoid. So make sure that you have more than enough time. That being said, make sure that you do have band band-aids on hand just in case you do cut yourself. You want to cover that wound. It's gonna sting, it's gonna hurt, so just be prepared. I have been shaving my legs for a very long time now, and it still takes me about 10 minutes to shave my legs. So that's 5 minutes per leg, and that's because I like to be thorough. I don't like there to be any hair left after I'm done shaving, and I also don't like cutting myself. I find that if I shave my legs within like 5 minutes or less, I always end up with cuts and it really hurts, and then also it doesn't look that good. You can tell that I cut myself, so it's not a good look, so it's not worth it. Take your time. Trust me on this one. Those are the 5 steps that you need to take in order for you to have a great first time shaving your legs. If you have a friend that has never shaved her legs before, or she shaved her legs but she's having trouble, you notice that there's cuts or bumps on her legs, share this video with them because it will really help them have a better shave each time. Just a quick recap, make sure that you know where to shave your legs on your legs. Make sure that you have enough time to shave your legs. Know where you're going to shave your legs, preferably a bathtub. Make sure that you have the proper technique, which is the most important part about all of this, and also make sure that you have the correct tools to use while shaving. Make sure that you comment down below and let me know how it goes, and also if you haven't already, comment how old you are because I'm very curious to know. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure that you subscribe down below and turn on the post notifications. I post videos every week, and if you have any requests, make sure you leave them down below as well, and I will see you in my next video. Besitos!